Hello, in this video I will be showing how to get the Empowered Titan badge, and also showcasing the new upgraded Titan Sawblade man. To get the badge you need to be any kind of sawblade, but I'll choose Sawblade woman for this. After equipping the Sawblade character, you will have to find the base. Follow where I go. So right next to the modes you can clearly see the base, if you can't or blind. To open it you just hold A or hold the button on mobile. Here we go. Now you just have to go inside. Follow where I go to get all of the Titan batteries. Now unlock the door. To your right you will see multiple ladders. Climb up to get the first battery. I won't be speeding up the video so you can see where it is and not be confused. Here is the first battery. For the next battery, go in front to pick up a saw, then go back for the Titan's old head to extract the battery from his old head. It's behind these metal-looking things. And then go back to the first battery spot and extract the battery. Here is the second battery. For the third battery, go to the right of the two trucks and you will see it. Here it is. For the fourth battery, go to the large Sawblade man lemonade stand, and behind him is the fourth battery. For the next battery, it's in a drawer, so you will have to get a key. The key is to the left of the large Sawblade lemonade stand. Then just go in front till you find the scientist Sawblade with a hat. He is in the corner. The drawer is right behind him. And that's all the batteries. Now go put them all in the machine. Then talk to the scientist and leave. And that's how to get the badge. Now for the showcase. This is the new upgraded Sawblade Titan. He is the biggest Titan and costs 17.5k. Here is me showcasing his body. For his first ability, it's the Titan Punch. He basically takes both of his arms and smash the toilets. For his second ability, he swings his massive sword. For his third ability, he charges his core and releases it. For the fourth ability, he shoots a saw. And for his fifth ability, he uses the back saws, but I don't think they work properly. And for his last ability, he stomps. That's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.